Hi guys, how are you doing? This is that techie dude back again to talk about my favorite TV, my new smart TV, the Toshiba Android L4300. This post is going to be about how to set up the TV itself, and for the sake of simplicity, let me be very clear, this is not about setting up the picture quality, this is not about setting up the audio system, it's just about how to set up this Android TV. Now, basics first. As you probably may remember from my previous post, I have connected one of my favorite movies, Skyfall, which is playing in the small screen. Want to go and watch it on the full screen, I just go to this button, press that. Want to go back to the Android homepage, press the right mouse button on my Logitech keyboard mouse combo, come back to the home screen. Now, quick things first. This TV has three USB connections. One has got this dongle thing for the Logitech mouse keyboard. The other has the Wi-Fi dongle for the Wi-Fi. And on top you can see that the date and times are set automatically once we set up the details of location in the settings box. Also, it shows an HDMI connection, which is the movie of obviously Skyfall, and Wi-Fi is on. And at the bottom it says my username, which is that techie dude, and next to the settings box. Now we quickly go to the settings box and look at, for example, accounts. And under accounts, I have set up my account, for example, which is that techiedude@gmail.com, which is my email ID. Incidentally, if you want, you can email me on this particular ID if you have any questions about the TV. Now, simple things about how to use this TV itself, and we go to the Play Store, or we go to the browser, for example. And once we go to the browser, it comes to the main Google page. My startup screen is google.com, and it says please enter your password. Once I just enter my password, I am automatically logged in, and all my Google services which are available to me on any tablet or any phone similarly are available to me on this TV. So it logs me in as that techiedude@gmail.com, and for example, all the services that I might subscribe to, for example, if I want to go to Gmail and look at my Gmail, I'll be able to do that. For example, if I just clicked on Gmail, and you can see it takes me back to this particular email ID. Now, this is simple because it's browser based. Of course, you can download an app, but what about if I want to go and see YouTube, for example? I've got this YouTube shortcut on my home screen. Can I use that to log in? And the answer is yes, you can. So let's just go to this YouTube link, click on YouTube, and something comes up. Now, it's not necessarily for me, so I just go to this icon and say sign in. The TV will recognize me as that techie dude because it's an Android TV, and it recognizes me as a user. And the moment I see that, for example, it logs me in, and I can go and search, for example, anything I like. And once it starts getting into who you are and what kind of sites you visit and what kind of music you like, the whole power of this Android TV starts coming to the fore when it can start recommending videos for you. And that's one of the smart things about Android. It follows you, it learns from you and what you do, and it recommends based on your likes and dislikes. So in this, you saw how easy it was to connect to Wi-Fi, how it was to connect to Google's integrated services and log in using a common account to Gmail and to YouTube. And now one of my favorite movies, Skyfall, is playing. So I think this is the end as far as this video is concerned. More later. Thank you. Bye bye.